On October 15th, 2021, an incident occurred at LAX when a Japan Airlines flight number 15 took off from LAX bound for Tokyo. The flight took off, and after taking off, the aircraft, a Boeing 777-300ER, had a right engine failure. As you can see the photos from here, both of these photos from go say GB0N on Instagram. The aircraft then for chief to have a holding pattern near the Catalina Island, probably dumping fuel before they made their emergency landing to LAX 45 minutes later after it took off. Well, I actually managed to capture the flight number 15. I managed to capture it, and I didn't see anything out of the blue. I just noticed this aircraft, the Japan Airlines 777-300. When I captured it, I didn't see nothing out of the blue. I just saw the aircraft just heading, just no more speeds, no more altitude. It was like at 5,000, not 5,000. Yeah, 5,000 altitude. I didn't see nothing, but I did see like a kind of like a dark little spot beneath the right engine. So you can see here it's heading straight back to the airport and landed like shortly thereafter. No reports of injuries, and the aircraft will be grounded for a while before it has this right engine fixed. So that was lucky for me. The aircraft that was involved in the incident was a 13.2-year-old Boeing 777-300ER for Japan Airlines. It was registered as JA740J, and it was delivered to Japan Airlines on August 28, 2008.